In 800 feet, turn left. You've arrived.
Hey guys, it's me, Desi, and I am giving you guys a treat. So I went to Meadows Farms in Burtonsville, Maryland, and this is my first time coming here, and I've been meaning to put this video out here, but since now we're in our house, I just wanted to pull this out so that we can have something to look forward to and give us some ideas. So this place is big. It is really, really big, and I had a blast when I came here. I saw so many different plants and shrubs, and it took me about a complete hour just to breeze through the rows. So I made sure I got everything, and I was able to see what they had to offer. So I will be putting out part 2, and I hope that you guys enjoy and you guys stay safe, and leave a comment down below. What are your plans for spring 2021? Are you planning for your garden yet? Look at these containers. Oh my god, look at that coleus. Oh, look, it's just perennials, native plants, native. I like the sale sign. Look at the banana plant over there. Oh my god, they have canna lilies. I want to get a canna. Woo, look at this. Wow, inspiration. And oh my goodness, look over here. Do you see that? This place is huge. Yo, this canna lily is tall as my head, and I'm like 5'1". I think it's in a container. It's so pretty. Look at that. Just get close up. Look at that. And then it has the spent flowers on the top, I think. Beautiful. Oh, wow. You see how far it is? And then look over here. All the moons. Wow. So I'm just gonna quickly try to breeze through here, because I usually take my time when I'm looking at stuff, and then I'm gonna like record you guys like things that I see that I like. Oh, look at the hookgrass, 20% off. So I'm looking at the hostas right here, and the neat part is that while you're looking at the hostas, it says the name on the top part, so then you can like get a quick information about it. And I'm thinking that maybe this area is all shaded, because there's like a shaded thing right here, and there's like so much hookras, like so much, starting from right over here all the way to the top is hookras. So much hookras. But I don't have any, I don't know about hookras. So it's so much. I mean, all the colors you could think of. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. But I wanted to get I saw a hosta for $5, like a beat up one. So that's why I came over here, so I can know what it looks like taken care of. That's really good. So it was this one, the Blue Angel. But I don't want this one. I don't know which one I want. But now at least I can see how tall it's gonna get. It says 24 by 48, as well as part shade, but I wouldn't know where to put it, so But I saw a baby one and it was on clearance. Yep. So I guess this is, man, they have so many things. Look at this one. Oh, this is the chocolate chip ajuga. Wow. And then look at the little flowers. Purple. Is this another one? This is a different one. That's so pretty. So yeah, I'm just quickly like walking through here and looking at these things because it's so much. Like, I'm only halfway and I just panned all up over here. And then over there is all mums. All mums. So now I have to tackle all the way over there, all the way to back there. Huh. Ay, ay, ay. This seems like all grasses. So I'm gonna skip here and go over here. Ooh, what is this? This is pretty. Wow. I love the color change. What, 6 to 10? And 6 to 10? 5 to 9? Butterfly. Okay, so it just changes colors. I mean, that's the part that I like. Then we got over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to walk around. I can't get down there. And it'll be rude for me to step over there. Look at this knockout tree form. Oh, look at the rose. So pretty. There are some plants right here. Is that bee balm? Oh, this is what the bee balm looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. And then there's some coleus, I think. And then Celosia's right here. Oh, and there's the dusty miller. Wow, the bee balm looks pretty. I love magenta. Okay. Oh, look at these black-eyed Susans. Native plants. But it says VIP only gets 20%. Oh my god, guys. I forgot all about over here. I'm thinking about trying to pan over here. There's more on this side. Okay. Here we got azaleas. Encore azalea. Okay, and they have the names, like a little name description right there. You know what though? Wow. Maybe I might see the one that I like. Mostly the purples. What is this? Ruby spice. Variegated boxwood. Jesus. Wow. This thing is a lot of money. These are some dogwoods. I wonder if it'll be rude if I just walk over here just to get over there. I'm gonna walk around. Whew. Even that over there they're selling. I see 150. Oh, I see clearance right over there. But then you gotta walk all the way around just to get over there. Here are some azaleas. This is the one that I have. And the one that I have is blooming in my yard right now. So at least now I can see what it looks like mature. Here's Jewel. And at least I get to see all of the different colors too. This is sangria. Here's another white one, Starlight. Oh, look at this one. This is amber. Here is Princess. No blooms.
What are their prices compared?
I'm not sure yet. I think they do have some clearance though. You just gotta look, but I feel like
Yeah, but it's only for VIP.
no, right over there is clearance. Yeah, I think some of the prices are a little. It would be the same if you were to go online, I think. And I think it's because like these are more big gallon ones. Like these are probably 3 gallons. Probably for 3 years now. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is Angel. Angel is pretty. I wish they had like a map, yo. Cause like I have to go through everything just to figure out what's here and there. What is this, cherry? Okay. Baby blue, spruce. See now, if I want to get over there, I gotta walk all the way to the end. Then I have to walk around. But these are huge. Look at this. Okay. I wonder what's that over there. Hey, let's just check out this clearance. Clearance. Boxwood. A laurel. Cherry. I don't know what that is. Green Mountain. Hey, can't be a little clearance now. They ain't that bad. The only thing I'm worried about is like something creeping up on me because we're so close to the woods. Huh. So I guess that's all for the clearance section. Okay, what we got over there? Seems like all of these are those cedar type looking like things. I'm not going through that. Ew, look at this. Okay, sorry, I don't even need to show you guys that. But that's why I'm so creeped out about walking over here, because it looks